कोर्टान सांगला ते प्रमाण ट्रीटमेंट मशिनां घालूंक कोयर व्हरूंक 5000 स्क्वेअर मीटर सुवात जाय. मात तितली सुवात सोनसड्यार ना. MMCचो जागो कितलो आसा तो मार्क करून खंय कंपाऊंड वॉल घालतले.
For that, our machines have to come and be fitted. Our machines comes the day the work starts. It will take 1.5 to 2 years, but we will try to complete it within a year, 8-9 months. Then only a factory can come up over here. We require a plain land of at least 3,000 to 4,000. 4,000 square meters. We require at least 4,000 minimum. They're asking 5,000, but 4,000. Pahila आम्ही treat kotta old waste. We'll secure the land. We'll put a compound. We'll bring this building down and put up our plant building. जे आमकां कशी लागता पळय ती. आमकां 4 शेडी लागता त्यो सारक्यो.
2 मशिनां घालून 1 डिसेंबरा सावन काम सुरू. फुडल्या पावसा मेरेन चडांत चड कोयर क्लियर करपाचो प्लान.
So we require more space to put more machines. Otherwise only 1 or 2 machines will come. We want 4 machines. The waste has to go faster from here and you require 4 machines. So once this work starts, I think then slowly things will fall in place.
Work order and all has been issued to them.
Yeah,
In the position,
this week we are issuing work order. The work we want to start on 1st of December. And if the work starts on 1st December, then we have clear cut 6.5 months till the monsoon starts. We will maximum waste we will clear from here.
how many?
पहिली 2 घालता आताच, but we will increase it to 4 depending on the area what we get.
कागदार दिसता ते प्रमाण प्रकरण सोंपें ना. मंत्र्याक सोनसड्याची मोठी चॅलेंज.
म्हाका दिसना फिजिबल. तो म्हणटा 5,000 तांकां स्क्वेअर मिटर जमीन जाय इनर्ट मटेरियल घालपाक, जें रेमिडिएशन जावन उरता तें. सो 5,000 जमीनूच पयलीं हांगा दिश्टी पडना फर्स्ट. दुसरें म्हणल्यार द वे टोपोग्राफी जी आसा तो जर थंय सकयल घाले जाल्यार तो व्हरूंक ताका चान्स ना. सो आय डोंट थिंक दॅट दीस इज फिजिबल. ऑल्दो ऑन पेपर इट मे लूक फिजिबल, प्रॅक्टिकली आय डोंट थिंक इट इज पॉसिबल. सी सोंसडो is I think the biggest challenge in front of the solid waste management ministry. Minister is the new minister of it. The portfolio, the department itself has been created. I think this is his first challenge. He is that way a taskmaster.
पयली मडगांव पालिकेत चर्चा जाली. मडगांवचो आमदारूय आशिल्लो.
ते सगळे कंपाउंडेड जावपाक जाय. Entire area has to be fenced with the security, with complete gate, manned gate. ते सगळे जावपाक. If you want to declare it as an industrial area.
इतले मजगती आदी जे पद्दतीन काम चलताले तेच पद्दतीन फुडले 15 दीस काम करात म्हूण मडगांव कोर्टान MMC आनी फोमेंतोचे केसीत सांगला. फुडली सुनावणी 12 डिसेंबराक दवरल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सावयो डायस.